today, and we're doing the Stoos Ridge hike, which is one of the best hikes in Switzerland. And I'm here with my friend Magda.
Hi guys.
Some of you might recognize her from my Sopot video, which you can find in the link below.
5 years back.
5 years back. 5 years later now, we're gonna do this hike together. Magda lives in Switzerland, so she's gonna be my tour guide for today.
Welcome. And a little fun fact, or a little interesting fact. So we're at the moment in the village called Stoos. We took the funicular from down there here, and it's the steepest in the world, so it already makes a great experience. And now we'll be taking a chairlift to one of the peaks where we will start the hike. So looking forward to that.
Okay, let's go.
Woo! Woo!
Of the hike now, and as you can see, we're walking the ridge, and it's very steep on both sides. So watch your step, watch your kids, folks, because if you fall, it won't be a good outcome. Beautiful lake behind us. What do you think, Magda?
It's amazing. I love it.
She comes here every weekend.
Every weekend.
I would too if I lived here. Magda, what can we see?
Oh, well, the lake is gone. Sorry, I wanted to show you a lake.
Oh my gosh.
Not even half the way.
Woo! Oh, really?
30 minutes. You can check out there what it looks like. It's
oh my god.
Here.
Oh no.
Hey guys, let's do it.
Woo!
Let's go.
Woo! Magda, we're almost there. Guys, how are you surviving?
Barely. Barely.
Is this one of the hardest hikes in Switzerland?
No.
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 One of the easiest.
We're just not in shape. Sorry.
A lot of stairs. A lot of stairs. We came from there. Behind us. Magda, how are you feeling?
Amazing.
Best hike ever!
Guys, you really have to come here.
I highly recommend it. Some of the most beautiful views I've ever seen. The best hike I've ever done, that's for sure. Okay, so this is where we started, and we took the steepest tram all the way up, the Stoßbahn. And here in Stoos village, we walked a little bit to the chairlift, took the chairlift up to Klingenstock, and then we hiked the ridge along here and all the way to this Fronalpstock. And now we're going to take the chairlift down and we're probably gonna go down this way. So yeah, that was a really nice hike. Not too long. I think it's supposed to only take a couple hours, but it took us a little bit more because we stopped to take a lot of pictures and to enjoy the beautiful views. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, Magda.
Thanks.
Thanks for taking me. And by the way, if you're wondering who this guy is, this is Bartek.
Hi.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Till next time.